Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to talk about PMS because that's what I've been going through since 2-3 days, and I didn't realize it at all, but yesterday something happened. What happened is that one of my colleague got under my skin, and it wasn't something a big deal. It was a very small issue, and it didn't need my reaction that much, but I still reacted and I didn't say anything to him. But I constantly thought about it and I was overthinking and I got really angry on a very petty issue. So that's when I realized that I am going through PMS and this needs to be spoken about. And PMS is something I have struggled for since a very long time. But now I have figured out some tips and tricks to control PMS and not like go crazy during this week. So yeah, I wanted to share those tips with you so that no any woman will feel this way and it will be more helpful to all of you. So yeah, here they are. So, since a few, like before I go into the tips, I want to share the backstory of why I am very much aware of PMS is because last year, like few years back, I was struggling with PMS a lot. I was having severe anxiety and depression and too many emotions altogether. I used to flip out, I used to go crazy, I used to talk a lot, like get irritated and angry on the people I love. My family and friends and everybody were really worried about me. So I thought that this is something that is not normal. Like PMS happens every week before you get periods, and it is something that happens to every woman. But I was feeling it to a whole another degree only. So I thought, why not get it checked with my gynec? And when I went and had a conversation with my gynec, he told me that this is not something that is normal, and it's good that you came to me and you talked to me about it. So yeah, and when I went to him, he had me checked like he did some kind of hormonal imbalances like hormonal checks, hormone levels, and I had a lot of hormonal imbalance at that time, and because of that my PMS was worst. So if you are also someone who struggles with PMS and feel all emotions all together, you feel like your life is falling apart and you are very anxious and anxiety is happening and lot of depression, you're not able to sleep, you're not able to eat anything, then I would suggest that PS, please go and see your gynec if it is happening before your periods, like just during the PMS week. Then I would suggest please go and see your gynec. I'm not a doctor, but yes, this is what I have experienced since a very long time, and I had to listen to my body at that time. So I did, and I found out that I had hormonal imbalances which were making my PMS worst. So yeah, that's the first thing that I did. But if you are also someone who doesn't have this to a very high level degree, like something which you manage but you still struggle with and you want to get better, then please follow these tips. So what is the first thing that I do is I hydrate well. Dehydration is something that is the cause of everything, like your headaches, fatigue, and everything. So better that you hydrate yourself, drink a lot of water. Since it is summer, so it is even more important to drink a lot of water. Second is have magnesium rich foods. Now magnesium rich foods are like bananas, nuts, dark chocolate, which helps you sleep better and helps with muscle cramps as well. So I have that every time whenever I'm in PMS. And third is for better sleep. I like to drink chamomile tea before I go to bed, like 15-20 minutes before I go to bed, which helps me sleep lot better than every normal day. And you can have it every day. Chamomile tea is healthy for you anytime, not only in PMS but other times as well. You can have chamomile tea every day, so it helps you sleep better and it also helps you with muscle cramps. And yeah, that's it. And then the fourth thing that I do is I eat gut friendly food, something which is very light on my gut, not very protein rich or something heavy meat, because periods when you're about to get periods, when you're in your PMS week, your digestion is very weak, and during your periods, though it's very like your digestion has no energy to digest heavy foods. So better to not trouble it a lot, and I have very light foods, something which is very gut friendly and something which is very light on my gut during my PMS week, so that I don't get bloating more often. Also, one thing I do follow is do some movement, like any kind of exercise that you can do during this time, like light walk, yoga or stretching. Or if you're a gym girl like I am, then I plan my workouts very light during this time, and that helps to keep your hormones in check, which eventually helps keep the PMS better. Like you don't struggle with PMS a lot. So yeah, that's all. That's also one thing that I follow. And yeah, I consciously tell my mind that this is something that you have to go every month, because mind is what controls your body. And if your mind is not ready to face anything, it will constantly keep rejecting what you have to accept, and it will trouble you even more. So what I've been doing, my sister actually suggested this when I was having like too many emotions all together, and I was very irritated and I was struggling with PMS. During that time, she told me that it's about conscious efforts. It's about, I consciously tell my mind that this is something which happens every month and it is going to pass after a week, and these are all emotions you're feeling, and you don't need to react to everything that is being said to you. And that's it. I mean, you just have to keep calm and let it go. Just breathe, have breathing exercises, do breathing exercises, and just let it go. Don't react to everything that is being said to you. Don't react to everything that you're feeling. You must be feeling that your life is falling apart. You are having a lot of like you are having too many problems in your life which has no solutions, and you feel like crying. So if you ever feel like crying during PMS, then please do cry, because let it out, let all your emotions come out. But have this thing consciously, you have to keep in mind that this is something that is going to happen every month, and you have to go through it, and you don't have to overreact to everything that is happening around you. And yeah, this will save you a lot of conflicts with your family, with your partner if you're married, with your boyfriend, of course, if you're in a relationship. Because from experience, I'm telling you that those people are not responsible for everything that you're going through, okay? And though they don't deserve the kind of treatment you give to them during that time. So you need to be very conscious about what you say and how you react during this time. So better to stay calm and do some hobby, especially if you love something, if you love spending time reading a book, or you love playing cricket or badminton or any sport or any whatever kind of hobby you like, please do it during this time. That also keeps you calm during this time. Helps your mind to be calm and quiet, which will help you control your emotions even better. So yeah, these are some kind of tips that I have been following since a very long time. And if any men who are watching this video, I would suggest that instead of telling her that you are crazy and you will go crazy during this time, and I really fear and I'm scared of you, and how do you react? It's like तुमको क्या बोलूँ, कुछ बोलूँ तो problem है, कुछ नहीं बोलूँ तो problem है. So this is not a solution that you should offer her. Whatever she is feeling, let her feel it and be there for her. I know it's difficult for you guys to understand this, but yeah, tell her to follow all these tips which I said, and it will definitely help you out, help her control her PMS. So yeah, if any men are watching this video, please do share it with your girlfriends, your mom, daughter, anyone who you know is struggling with PMS. And yeah, please do share with them and let them know that they are not crazy to feel this way. They are just human. And to all the women out there, please be more kind to yourself. And yeah, just follow all these tips, and I'm sure you will feel better. Of course, I am not a doctor, and this is something which I'm sharing, which has worked for me since I've been doing this for a very long time. So you can always have some experiments with yourself. Whatever you feel good during this time, do it. And yeah, I'm not a doctor to give you any medical advice, but yeah, I would definitely suggest you to go see a gynec if you're struggling a lot more than normal women. And yeah, so I hope you found this video helpful. And please like, share, and subscribe my channel for more healthy tips and something where you want to hear and have a talk with me. Also, please let me know what kind of tips you follow during your PMS, which I can adopt newly. So, yeah, let's connect and build a community that is much more healthier and happier altogether. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Okay? Bye.